Good evening and namaste to all. Can I see you? Namaste. Thank you. Okay, position meaning you need to stand up. Everyone, please get up. Standing position with joined hands. Tanya. Okay. Cross your legs. Sit down. Close your eyes. We'll start the session with a prayer. Everyone, please close your eyes. Follow the instructions. Uplaksh, please close your eyes. Prayer position. Hold your hands. Close your eyes. Eyes remain closed.
लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Open your eyes. Meditation pose. Meditation pose. Back straight. Make sure you press this particular mudra. Back straight. And eyes closed. Uplaksh beta, I want your eyes to be closed. Make sure you are following the instructions. Manya beta, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Normal breathing. Inhale and exhale. When you inhale, you can feel the chest expanding, and when you exhale, you can feel that stomach is squeezing inside. Concentrate within you. Make sure back is straight and you are sitting properly. Relax. Everyone's eyes must be closed. We need to meditate need to feel the inhalation. Inhale, exhale. Make sure you are sitting properly with your back straight. Relax. Eyes must be closed. Wait for my instruction. Completely relax yourself. No touching of mobile. Please do not touch your camera. Eyes must be closed. Try to concentrate inside you. If you open your eyes, concentration can be distracted. Close your eyes. Eyes should be remaining closed. Open your eyes. This is the time, Sonia ma'am, you will be talking for Anulom Vilom, next exercise. So we will be sitting like this. Okay, Sonia ma'am? Okay. Here, Sonia ma'am will be speaking, giving a small description about this particular exercise. Then, meanwhile, when Sonia ma'am is speaking, or if I am speaking, make sure you are in a proper position. Nothing, not sitting like this, or nothing. We need to sit in that position. Make sure that you are sitting. Do not touch the camera. Do not adjust anything. Already, this has to be done before we start the session. Make sure your camera is fixed somewhere. Okay? Okay, next. Position, please. Okay, start. Inhale from your left. Exhale from your right. Upalakshmita, breathing should be proper. pose, please. Bring your hand back. When I say meditation pose, I will be telling you meditation pose or take the position. I will be saying along with the bell whenever I will be instructing you. Kindly follow that and immediately take the position of meditation or the next exercise. Okay? Meditation pose. Here again, ma'am will be giving a small description, so we need to sit properly. Once she finishes, then only I will give you the clue for the next exercise. Okay? So suppose ma'am has said, we will leave one beat. Vastrika, position please. Ready? Open your palm. Meditation pose. Again, we will wait here. Ma'am will give the description. Again, I'm repeating, whenever we are pausing ourselves, when we are sitting in a meditation pose and waiting for the instructions, make sure you sit properly, then don't move. Okay, back straight and normal. With this particular pose, we will be sitting and we will wait for the further instructions. Okay, now next. Okay, Vrikshasana. So please stand up. Stand up, everyone, please. Okay. Place your right feet towards the side of the lap. Vrikshasana position. And slowly take your hands up. Try to focus at the center of your wall. Hands should be up. Hands should be up. Slowly bring it down. Slowly bring it down. And bring your feet down. Okay. Amarjeet beta, you are supposed to keep one leg on right leg on the thighs of left. Vrikshasana, we are standing on one leg. And Uplaksh, you need to focus. If you're falling like this, concentration is less. Don't look down, look up. Okay? And your hands should go up. This need to be practiced. Amarjeet beta, can you see other children? How they are doing it? They are keeping one leg. Can you see them? And Manya, hands should be up. I can see only few videos right now. That is why I'm able to correct. I can't see other children. Actually, this particular asana you need to practice properly. We can't just fall down. That is what I said yesterday also. Is that clear? Kindly practice at least for a minute. At least for a minute so that I can give you a clue to come down. Everyone has to do at least for a minute. Is that clear? Can we just do? I won't give you right now clue. Get up everyone, stand up everyone please. Everyone stand up. Okay, now place your leg, right leg on the left side. Use your hand and place it. Use your hand. Relax yourself. You don't be in a hurry. Use your hand. Keep it neatly. Balance yourself. Then keep your hand here. And then slowly take your hand up. Amarjit beta, you have to keep one leg on the other one. Just see other children. Can you see them? Can you see them how they kept it? Vrikshasana, can you see them? Yes, Sugandhini, very nice, very nice. Manya also, very good. Gauri, ID with Gauri, very good. Okay, now slowly bring it down and remove that leg. Bring that leg down. Now try with another leg. Try with the left. Place your hand. Slowly take it up. See, don't be in a hurry to place the hand or your leg. Slowly bring it down. And place your leg down. Amarjit beta, no, can you see someone else doing it? Amarjit beta, can you see someone else because you're not doing it correctly? Can you just watch the other child? Can you please watch first how they are doing it, then copy, okay? One more time, keep your right leg. Keep your right leg, put your hand here. Ready? Slowly take it up. I will count till 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, slowly bring it down and place your feet down. Okay, ID with Gauri Sharma. ID with Gauri Sharma. You have to balance on one leg. Okay? Kindly do not take the help of the wall. That is not going to increase your concentration. Okay? It has to be, if you're standing on one leg for longer time, you have a control on your body. If you lean on the wall, it is not going to help. Gauri, ID with Gauri Sharma, can I see your face? Were you leaning on the wall? Yes or no? It is not going to solve the problem, okay? So we need to do the, it's not the thing how much you can show me you are standing, no, but it has to be done in a correct manner. That is the main thing, okay? Because the moment you start increasing, uh, standing on one leg, focusing on something, your focus and your concentration gets increased. That is the benefit of this particular exercise, okay? We can't just do it just for the sake of doing it. We need to have some benefit, right? We need to do it properly. Okay, can we do one more time so that you know how to do it? Everyone stand. Place your right leg on the left lap. Slowly, slowly. You don't have to take it so much up. Just see how much you can take. how much you can take and balance, and keep your hand here. You don't have to take it up, it won't come. At the first day, it won't come. You can keep near the knee side or little bit above the knee, which is comfortable. You don't need to fall. And then now slowly take it up. Focus. Make sure you focus your eyes on some point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, slowly bring it down. Very good, very good. Slowly bring it down and keep your leg down. Now with your left. Now with the left. Okay, slowly, slowly. How much you can keep it? Don't take it too much up if you're not able to balance. Okay, hands here. Yes. Now slowly take your hands up. Make sure you focus your eyes on one point. 1, 2, leg straight. The knee should be straight of the right leg. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, slowly bring it down and place your leg down. Saloni beta, the leg on which you are standing must be straight. Okay, there no bending of the knee. Okay, okay. Now cross your leg.